Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a Binance US account. First, navigate to the Binance US website or download their app. You will then click the Register button to begin. Enter your email and create a secure password, ensuring it meets the platform's requirements for length and complexity. Finally, review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy to move to the next step. This initial process takes only a few minutes. Next, you'll need to complete identity verification, often called KYC, which is crucial for security and compliance. You will be asked to provide personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and current address. Then, upload a clear image of a valid government-issued identification document, like a driver's license or passport. A quick selfie will complete the facial verification, usually taking less than 5 minutes. Once your identity is verified, it's time to fund your account. You can link a bank account via ACH for convenient deposits or use a debit card. Alternatively, you have the option to deposit various cryptocurrencies directly from an external wallet. Always ensure your linked bank account matches the name on your Binance US profile to avoid delays. Most deposits are processed within 1 to 3 business days. With funds in your account, you are ready to begin trading. Binance US offers a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin to many altcoins. Take time to understand the different order types, like market orders for immediate execution or limit orders for specific price points. It's wise to start with small trades, perhaps $10 to $20, to get comfortable with the interface. Remember to use the platform's educational tools to grow your expertise.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.